Polarization, power and polarization of ions. Polarization, power and polarization of ions. When two oppositively charged ions, A positive ions and B negative ions, approach each other, the positive ion attracts the electrons of the negative ion, okay, and repels the nucleus, nucleus due to combined effect of these two. The electron cloud of the negative ion remains no longer spherical, but becomes elliptical towards the cation. This results in the deformation of polarization of the negative ion by the cation. The capacity of the cations to polarize the anions is called polarizing power of the cations. The anions is called polarizable, or the anions has the property of polarizability. Okay, if the polarizability is quite small, then an ionic bond is formed. If the degree of polarization is more, the electron density between the two ions is increased, and the bond becomes and the bond becomes partially covalent in character. Since size of cations is smaller than an anion, and the polarization of cations is negligible. Thus cations have been polarizing power, while the anions are polarizable. Okay? When two oppositively charged when two oppositively charged ions, A positive ions and B negative ions approach each other. The positive ions attracts the positive ions attract the positive ion attract the electrons of the negative ions, the electrons of the negative ions and repel the nucleus and repels the nucleus okay? When two positively charged ions, A positive ions and B negative ions approach each other, the positive ions attract the electrons of the negative ions and repel the nucleus. Okay? Repel the nucleus. Due to combined effect of these two, due to combined effect effects of these two, the electrons, the electron cloud of the negative ions, the electron cloud of the negative ions, the electron cloud of the negative ions, that means anion remains no longer symmetrical, that means spherical, okay, but becomes elliptical, but becomes elliptical towards becomes electrical towards the cation. Towards the cation. Okay? This result in the deformation or polarization. This results of the deformation. This result in the deformation or polarization, deformation or polarization of the negative ion, by the cation, the capacity of the cation to polarize the anion, the capacity of the cation to polarize the anion, is called polarizing power. Called polarizing power of the cation. Okay? The anion is called polarizable. The anion is called polarizable. Are the anion, okay? Are the anion has the property of polarizability. Polarizability, okay? If the polarization is quite small, if the polarization is quite small, then an ionic bond is formed. Ionic bond is formed. Okay? If the degree of polarization, is more, the electron density between two ions, is increased, and thus the bond becomes partially covalent in character. Okay? Since the size of the cation is smaller than that of an anion. The size of a cation is smaller than that of an anion. That of an anion The polarization of cation is negligible. The polarization of cation, the polarization of cation, the polarization of cation, okay? And the partial covalent character simplifies that the cation is smaller than that of an anion. The polarization of cation is negligible. Negligible. Thus cation has polarizing power while the anion are polarizable. Thus cation has polarizing power. Cation has polarizing power. Cation has polarizing power. Polarizing power. Polarizing power. Cation has polarizing power while the anions are polarizable. While the anions are polarizable. Okay? The polarizability of an anion is much more than that of cation due to its bigger size. So, more the polarization, greater is the covalent character in the bond. Hence, polarization is indicative of covalent bonding in a compound. Factors generalize the factors favor the polarization of anions. Okay? Next, reading factor affecting polarization of an anion. Fajans rule. What is Fajans rule? Fajans rule is very important as a competition. Okay? And board exam. Okay? Fajans rule is very important. So, what is Fajans rule? How to work the Fajans rule and application of polarization, that means Fajans rule. We will be more studying about Fajans rules. Okay?